Here we have our student. She got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Hi, my name is MEENAKSHI. I'm coming from Tamil Nadu. I studied my college in Rajiv Gandhi and I came here as an incubation student. In this, I have studied a Python full stacker developer. On first day attending Keshav's class itself, I got interested. He will teach line by line and he will give the explanation. If I won't understand also, she will call me and say everything clearly, and he gives some coding questions to solve it in class itself. Likewise, I have improved my knowledge and problem solving skills. And I also have attended the entrance class in SQL. He will explain clearly with the enjoyment. We know which topic is completing now. That like she will go in faster manner itself. And I got placed. Thank you.
Okay, congratulations. All the best.